Hi guys, welcome to Tella Dalal's kitchen. I am Nisha and what we are going to make together today is the famous Mexican starter tacos. To make this famous Mexican starter, we need to pre-prep for 3 things before we assemble our tacos. The first and the most important is the taco shells. These are the taco shells. But right now in this video, I'm not going to show you how to make these because we already have a video on these. You can watch our video on taco shells to make these. What I'm going to begin with is making the rajma topping and then the uncooked salsa and finally assembling it. So for the rajma topping, take a broad non-stick pan and heat some oil in it. Once the oil is hot enough, add finely chopped onions to it along with very little garlic paste. And saute this on a medium flame for around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the onions have been sauteed, add some fresh tomato pulp and tomato ketchup along with some spices, some chili powder, cumin seeds powder and salt. Mix all this well and allow the mixture to cook for around 2 minutes. We've added fresh tomato pulp to this, so it will start boiling very soon. So keep stirring it occasionally. Once the tomato pulp mixture has also been cooked, we need to add the most important ingredient of this, which is rajma. Here I have taken around 3/4 cup of rajma, soaked it for about 8 hours and then pressure cooked it. When you soak 3/4 cup of rajma, after cooking you will get around 2 cups. Mix all these ingredients well and allow this mixture to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes now. And while this mixture is being cooked, use a potato masher and mash it gently. Remember, we just need to get that consistency and the thickness in this rajma topping, so do not mash it completely. Keep stirring it occasionally so the mixture does not stick to the pan. You can see that the excess moisture has been evaporated. We'll switch off the flame, keep this aside and start to assemble our uncooked salsa now. To make the uncooked salsa, combine finely chopped tomatoes in a bowl with some finely chopped spring onion greens and whites, finely chopped green chilies, chili flakes, and to give that peppy flavor we need some oregano, coriander, very little sugar just to balance the sourness of tomatoes, and salt. Mix all the ingredients well and mash it with the back of a spoon to get that perfect consistency. You need to mash this for around 2 to 3 minutes so that all the flavors blend well. That's it. The uncooked salsa is ready. So now we have the taco shells ready, the rajma topping ready and also this uncooked salsa. So what are we waiting for? Just start assembling the tacos now. So in one taco shell, put around 1 tablespoon of the rajma topping, around half a tablespoon of the salsa, little ketchup over it, little chili sauce over the ketchup. If you like your tacos to be little more on a spicier side, some shredded lettuce. This gives a nice crunch and acts as a garnish as well. And finally some cheese. And your taco is ready to be served. Let's make a few more before you serve it because your guests are going to finish it in no time. So our tacos have been assembled and are ready. They are looking just tempting. All my colleagues are waiting to enjoy this, so I'm going to go and share with them right away while you go and make it for your friends and your family and enjoy with them. And do not forget to share your comments with us. Goodbye.
Download the Tella Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.